would request you to kindly introduce yourself, Doctor.
I'm Dr. Raghuram. I'm the Director and Consultant Oncoplastic Breast Surgeon at KIMS Usha Lakshmi Center for Breast Diseases, which is located in Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences. This is the Indian subcontinent's very first freestanding, purpose-built, comprehensive center for breast health, which deals with all issues and problems relating to any breast health issue.
Thank you so much. Coming to this particular Indo-Global Healthcare Summit and Expo 2014, this has brought all the entities of the healthcare fraternity under one banner. We have more than 100 years of cumulative research work. We've brought in professors, researchers, doctors, medical students and all, everything. So what are your expectations? What are your expected outcomes you would foresee, you would prognosticate out of this particular healthcare summit?
I'm delighted that Indo-US Healthcare Summit is being organized in Hyderabad this year, and it's really remarkable that some 90 specialists, particularly from the United States, are coming down specifically for this summit, in addition to several hundred specialists from India across all the specialties who will be participating in the Indo-US Summit. I think this summit hopefully will bring together the best of minds in all specialties related to medicine, and we come together and discuss the state-of-the-art issues, the current issues that are facing this country, and I really sincerely hope that this summit will hope to find Indian solutions to Indian problems, because there are certain problems that are specific to India, and I think it is very essential to find Indian solutions to Indian problems. And finally, I hope that this summit will bring about a Hyderabad statement, so that this will act as a benchmark for future summits.
Since you talked about certain problems which ail the Indian healthcare scenario, breast cancer is one of the considered one of the malignant ones. People do not come forth with their problems. The issue of awareness also come into play. Now, given the theme of this particular summit, advances and innovations in healthcare, where can this particular problem be addressed with respect to breast cancer?
Okay. One of the most interesting and challenging developments of breast surgery in the past 2 decades has been the emergence of oncoplastic breast surgery. Now, oncoplastic breast surgery does not mean reconstructive surgery after removal of the breast. Oncoplastic breast surgery means reshaping of the breast after breast conservation surgery in women who have had breast cancer. Now, when a lump is removed in the breast, there's bound to be a defect. To reshape that defect in the breast, there are various techniques that have come into vogue over the last 2 decades, and that has resulted in the development of oncoplastic breast surgery, and there are dedicated fellowship programs for oncoplastic breast surgery fellowship programs in the United Kingdom and in the United States. And this really, with more and more women opting for breast conservation surgery, doing breast conservation in the right way without leaving a defect, covering the defect with oncoplastic techniques, certainly is one aspect that is really revolutionized breast surgery. And I hope that at some point in the summit, this aspect will be discussed.